Does your kitchen resemble a 1980s time capsule? Is your bathroom stuck in a beige abyss? Do the words home improvement send shivers down your spine, followed by the dreaded question, how much? Fear not, budget-conscious homeowners. Transforming your tired spaces into dream dwellings doesn't require a lottery win or a second mortgage. This is your guide to budget-friendly home remodels, where we unlock the secrets to affordable transformations that'll have your neighbors doing double takes. Forget expensive contractors and fancy finishes. We're talking paint power, DIY wizardry, and clever hacks that'll squeeze the most magic out of every penny. Whether you're a kitchen klutz or a bathroom buffoon, we've got something for everyone. So grab your tool belt, or at least a can of paint, and get ready to roll up your sleeves, because in this video, we're proving that budget-friendly home remodels are more than just a dream. They're a reality within reach. Buckle up, DIY warriors, and let's get this transformation party started. Is your kitchen stuck in a time warp? Does the mere mention of home remodeling make your wallet whimper? Well, fret no more. Today, we're tackling the heart of the home with Kitchen Refresh on a dime, proving you can ditch the beige and breathe new life into your cooking kingdom without breaking the bank. Let's start with the biggest visual impact, those cabinets. Replacing them can cost more than your next car, but a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. For under $1.50, you can grab a gallon of high-quality paint and totally transform the space. White or light colors will make the room feel bigger and brighter, while deeper shades add drama and personality. Don't forget the hardware. New knobs and pulls for less than $10 per handle can instantly modernize your cabinets. Next, let's tackle those walls. A gallon of paint for around $30 can do wonders, and don't be afraid to get creative. Go for a trendy accent wall or stencil a fun pattern. Feeling overwhelmed? Stick to neutrals like white or gray for a timeless look. Now for the backsplash, the kitchen's crown jewel. Forget expensive tiles. Peel and stick options for around $20 per square foot offer endless patterns and textures, and they're a breeze to apply yourself. Plus, no messy grout. Think subway tiles for a classic look, or go bold with geometric patterns or metallic accents. And let's not forget the countertops. Replacing them can be a budget buster, but there are budget-friendly workarounds. Butcher block can be found for around $40 per square foot and adds warmth and character. Concrete resurfacing kits for around $100 can give your existing countertops a brand new look, and even laminate can be spruced up with contact paper for under $20 a roll. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. Pendant lights for around $50 can replace outdated fixtures and brighten the space. Under-cabinet lighting strips for under $20 add drama and task lighting. And don't forget the power of plants. Herbs in cute pots or trailing greenery on shelves add life and color for pennies. So there you have it, Kitchen Refresh on a dime in simple steps. Remember, it's all about being creative, resourceful, and having fun. With a little elbow grease and some smart budget hacks, you can transform your kitchen from drab to fab without breaking the bank. Now get out there and unleash your inner kitchen magician. Feeling like your bathroom is stuck in a time warp of beige and boredom? Don't despair, budget-conscious bathers. We're about to unleash bathroom bliss on a budget, proving that a spa-like sanctuary is within reach, even for the most cash-strapped remodelers. Let's start with the floor. Replacing tiles can be a budget black hole, but fear not. A fresh coat of grout recolorer for around $15 can breathe new life into old tiles. Feeling adventurous? Stencil a fun pattern or paint geometric shapes for a unique touch. If you have a small patch of damage, consider replacing just those tiles with budget-friendly options like vinyl planks for around $2 per square foot. Now let's tackle the vanity. Replacing it can be a hefty expense, but a makeover is within reach. A fresh coat of paint for under $30 can work wonders. Don't be afraid to get creative. Go for a bold color or add stripes for a playful touch. Update the hardware with fun knobs and pulls for under $10 each. And if your countertop is looking worse for wear, consider a peel and stick countertop cover for around $20 per square foot. Marble, granite, wood grain, the options are endless. Next, let's talk storage. Forget fancy cabinets. Repurpose an old ladder into a towel rack for free, or hang baskets for under $10 each for a rustic touch. Over-the-toilet shelves for around $20 are a space-saving marvel, and don't underestimate the power of a cute storage ottoman for under $50. And what's a spa-like bathroom without a touch of luxury? Ditch the dingy shower curtain. A new one for around $20 can instantly refresh the space. Add scented candles for under $10 each for a relaxing ambiance. And don't forget the power of plants. A trailing vine in a hanging pot or a small succulent on the counter adds life and color for pennies. So there you have it. Bathroom bliss on a budget in simple steps. Remember, it's all about being resourceful, creative, and having fun. With a little DIY magic and some budget-friendly hacks, you can transform your bathroom from bland to blissful without breaking the bank. Now get out there and unleash your inner bathroom alchemist. Feeling like your living room is stuck in a decorating rut? Does the mere thought of home remodeling leave you feeling overwhelmed and broke? Fear not, budget-conscious coziness connoisseurs. We're about to unleash living room love on a budget, proving that a warm and inviting space is within reach, even if your wallet is singing the blues. Let's start with the furniture, the anchors of any living room. Replacing everything can cost a fortune, but a little makeover magic can work wonders. Grab some fabric paint for under $10 and give an old armchair a new lease on life with a fun pattern or bold color. Don't have artistic skills? No worries. Stencils for around $5 are your DIY decorating best friend. Add some new throw pillows, think $10, $20 each, in complementary colors and textures, and voila, your tired chair is reborn as a statement piece. Next, let's tackle the walls. Forget expensive wallpaper. Peel and stick options for around $15 per square foot offer endless patterns and textures, and they're a breeze to apply yourself. Want something more subtle? A fresh coat of paint for under $30 can do wonders. Go for light and airy colors to make the space feel bigger, or embrace bolder hues for a dramatic statement. Bonus tip: paint a geometric accent wall for a trendy touch without breaking the bank. Now, let's add some personality. Lighting can completely transform a space. Ditch the boring overhead light and embrace the power of lamps. Table lamps for around $20, $30 each can add warmth and task lighting, while pendant lights for under $50 can become a statement piece. Don't underestimate the power of string lights. Fairy lights for around $10 can create a magical ambiance, perfect for cozy evenings in. And finally, let's bring in the cozy factor. Rugs are a quick and easy way to define your living space and add warmth. You can find budget-friendly options for under $50 that still pack a punch in terms of style. Don't forget the power of throws and blankets. Cozy up with chunky knits for under $20 each, or layer soft throws for added texture and color. Bonus tip: repurpose an old blanket into a decorative cushion cover for a personalized touch. So there you have it. Living room love on a budget in simple steps. Remember, it's all about being creative, resourceful, and having fun. With a little DIY magic and some budget-friendly hacks, you can transform your living room from bland to beautiful without breaking the bank. Now get out there and unleash your inner interior decorator. So there you have it, folks. Proof that budget-friendly home remodels are more than just a dream. They're a reality within reach. We've taken tired spaces and given them a new lease on life, all without breaking the bank. Just remember, a little creativity, resourcefulness, and a can of paint can go a long way. Now it's your turn. We want to hear all about your budget-friendly home remodels. Share your DIY hacks, transformation tips, and before and after photos in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create homes we love, one affordable project at a time. Speaking of projects, we've got even more budget-friendly magic in store for you. In our next video, we're diving into the world of DIY home remodeling projects for beginners. We'll show you how to tackle simple yet impactful projects around the house, even if you're a total DIY newbie. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more home improvement fun. Until next time, happy remodeling, everyone!